What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Sarada from 2 Blue Vortex. I'm on a landscape page, use pencil and eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. So she's looking back over her shoulder, looking, like cool, different character design. So let's go for it. So you can see her glasses and her eyes are kind of covering it a little bit. So yeah, top eyelid line. Right, so we'll go curve it up, cross, like so. And this top eyelid line has like all eyelashes sort of drawn into it. And it's kind of a thicker line. Right? And then we sort of hook it down. It's kind of thicker on the top. And then we get sort of a bit thinner, and then it goes down to the bottom eyelid line there. So she's looking back, so her like pupil and iris is like here. And it's just black inside as far as I can see. There might be like a white highlight like up here, but it's just colored sort of black. Like that, right? And then in the manga, yeah, he draws the eyeball sort of line just here. Okay. So then we got like a top eyelid line just coming over the top here. And then our eyebrow sort of ticks up this way. It's just thicker at the front. Like that. So before we draw our glasses, we'll just get her nose sort of in the right place. So the nose, top of the nose kind of lines up with the bottom of the iris here. And it just curves out like so, and then comes back in like that. So it's kind of like a letter L or a 7, like an upside down 7 or a letter L, and then the nostril just there. Then our top lip sticks out, so curves out like so, and then it goes back in, right? So a mouth from the side in profile, kind of like a letter M, right? So it goes out again, back in. So this is like a letter M, capital, sort of stretched out. And then we can see her mouth kind of talking, right? So it's kind of open top there. Looks like her mouth is closed. That looks kind of good actually. But she's not, she's talking. We'll keep it accurate. So we'll open it up. And then teeth, just there like that. And then her chin will come down, like so. And this eventually will join her neck in there somewhere. So like eyebrow to nostril is about the same as nostril to the chin, just the middle of the chin. So that space, see this top of her eyebrow to the bottom of her nose, is about the same as the bottom of the nose to the chin. And then bottom of the nose to the bottom lip is about the same as bottom lip to chin, right? So that and that are about the same. That's your rough proportions for the face. So her nose then joins her brow, right? So it sticks out like this, and then it comes around like so. And then it just goes up towards her forehead and her hairline, just up there. So her jawline, just up from this, see here, so this joins her neck, right? So her neck will go down this way. When she has a choker collar on, right? But then her jaw is just stepped up and then goes this way. up towards her ear, and she has an earring on her ear. So ear curves around. Like this. And she has Uchiha kind of earrings, right? So it's kind of like around, like so. Circle there. The red and white sort of symbol on her ear. And then this kind of just hangs down along here. Then we got like ear lines inside. So lots of different ways of doing this now. Right. And then we have her sideburn, just sort of hanging down here. So then the glasses, right? So the glasses go in behind her ear. So, and it covers some of her eye. So, and it's a particular shape, so it's kind of tricky, right? So it curves around just at the nose here. And it cuts off some of her eye. So it will go like up above the eyebrow, back to there. And then it cuts down this way. And around the bottom to there. And then you have that section that like comes onto her nose, right? That bit that sort of glasses sit on the nose. And then you have the bridge of it there, and the frame on the other side. And then we have that box, and then the actual bit that goes behind the ear. Just coming down this way. Like that. So glasses are always difficult to draw because they're like man-made objects and they have a particular shape. So take your time, pause that there. Okay, so her hair then. So she has like shorter sort of hair in this. Comes up around. It's like a bob. It's like tight to her head. This one like spikes out the back. And then another bit here, spiking out here. Around like so. And then we have lines, texture lines all going this way. And a hair spike that goes over her ear a little bit and back up to there. Right, and then back of her neck here, and again we have this sort of choker collar over like so. Back of her neck comes down that way. And she's got this kind of loose jacket on. That's kind of like falling over her shoulder. So we can see some of the shoulder here, right? And then her jacket, so this long collar coming down this way, right? And it goes all the way down. Looks like some fold lines. And then our back. And we have the Uchiha symbol here. There's like a fold line there. It's like a hot air balloon. That's like kind of crinkled. Like so. And that's everything. That's how to draw Sarada from Naruto to Blue Vortex. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.